to inform the general public that all the students in our school have received their results, Kcse results that they did last year, and the performance is great because we have all of them transiting to university. We have 6 of them scoring A plane, we have 60 scoring A minus, we have 137 scoring B plus, B plane 203, and B minus 26. It is a good result, and I want to congratulate all those boys who did well last year. I wish to thank all the stakeholders of the school for supporting it and for making it a success for the future. We wish to thank the teachers, the students, the parents, the church, especially our father here and the Bishop Maumiriria, for all the support they have given to make sure that this school does well. It's a hope that we'll continue uniting for the purpose of our children in this school. Thank you, God, for everything you have done for us.